This video is intended for professionals and shows how to replace the electronic interface box inside of the external SX35 controller. Start by removing the cover of your control unit by using a 3mm Allen key. There are 4 bolts and these are not captive, so please do not lose them. The electronic interface box is located under the relay. Start by removing your internal wiring and power cables to gain access to the interface box. The interface is fastened by a holder from underneath. Slide it to the right side to release it. This can be pulled apart with a jiggle and pull method. If needed, carefully use a screwdriver to disconnect the interface from the socket. Connect the replacement interface box back to the block and press firmly together. Slide and insert the new interface back into the bracket in the controller. Reconnect the power and internal wiring. Tighten the bolts with lock washers using a torque wrench to 4 Newton-meters. You can now close your lid on the box and tighten your bolts. For further information, please contact IMTRA.